This is Crypto Kernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this video, we're going to be dissecting Pancake Swap, also known as Cake. What is Pancake Swap? Pancake Swap is an automated market maker, also known as AMM for short, a decentralized finance DeFi application that allows users to exchange tokens, providing liquidity via farming and earning fees in return. It launched in September of 2020 and is a decentralized exchange for swapping BEP20 tokens on Binance Smart Chain. Binance. Pancake Swap uses an automated market maker model where users trade against a liquidity pool. These pools are filled by users who deposit their funds into the pool and receive liquidity provider tokens in return, also known as LP tokens. These tokens can later be used to reclaim their share of the pool, as well as a portion of the trading fees. These LP tokens are known as FLIP, F-L-I-P. Pancake Swap also allows users to farm additional tokens, such as cake and syrup. On the farm, users can deposit LP tokens and get rewarded with cake. Pancake Swap allows users to trade BEP20 tokens, provide liquidity to the exchange, and earn fees. Stake LP tokens to earn cake, stake cake to earn more cake, and stake cake to earn rewards of tokens of other projects. What makes Pancake Swap unique? Pancake Swap uses an automated market maker model, meaning that there are no order books and liquidity pools are used instead. A user can earn income by becoming a liquidity provider by adding their tokens to the liquidity pool. They can farm LP tokens and stake their cake to earn rewards. They can also try their luck with the lotteries, which we're looking at here, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The Pancake Swap token, Cake, is a BEP20 token that was originally launched on Binance Smart Chain. The main function of Cake is to incentivize the liquidity provision to the Pancake Swap platform. Users can stake their tokens to earn rewards, which is done by depositing liquidity provider tokens and locking them up. This is known as farming and is rewarded by the system with Cake tokens. The tokens can be unstaked with zero holding time. Cake gives users the opportunity to invest and increase returns in the future, but comes with risk. Cake can be used to enter a lottery on Pancake Swap. Each lottery session takes 6 hours. A single ticket costs 10 cake and comes with a random combination of 4 numbers between 1 and 14. For example, 8, 6, 4, 12. To win the jackpot, which equals 50% of the entire lottery pool, the numbers in your ticket need to match all 4 of the numbers in the winning ticket. Users can also win non-fungible tokens that can be traded for cake or kept in a wallet. How is Pancake Swap Network secured? Now, if we're looking here, we see some of the prizes that they have. And this changes every single week. It's never the same. But Pancake Swap can be securely stored on supported wallets that are connected to the Binance Smart Chain. These include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, and Wallet Connect. Now we look here, we can see Pancake Swap on Twitter. So they do have a digital footprint, which is always key. If you've been watching us since the beginning or for some time, you know that leaving a digital footprint is crucial when evaluating whether or not invest in any token or any coin. Okay, now if we look here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that it's currently Its current market cap is $4.5 billion. And we can also see that the current price per cake token as of today is $21.43. When we look over here, we can see the circulating supply, which is the amount of cake tokens currently in investor hands that have been purchased. And then here we can see the maximum supply. All of these pieces of information are vital. We're not just looking at them just because. Now, if we look here over the last 30 days, actually since Tuesday, July the 20th, which was the last, for lack of a better term, crash day that we've had in the market, where pretty much virtually everything dropped in value. Since this time, though, it's gone up, as you can see. Now, our critical qualifying questions. Number one, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number two, what is its market cap? Number three, what is the total token supply? Number four, who is the CEO? Number five, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? Now, one thing that I want to mention, as far as the founders of PancakeSwap, it is a Binance Smart Chain based decentralized exchange that was launched by anonymous developers. This is the first token that we've ever covered in detail where the founders are anonymous and they choose to remain that way. So that's key. Not a bad thing in this regard, I don't believe, because they do have a digital footprint. Now, if you want to get some cake tokens, you can do so directly on Binance. We've included a link in the bottom of the description of this video. It's also on our About page. And you can also get cake tokens on crypto.com. And if you sign up for an account through our link, you'll get $25 in free crypto. Now, you can't get cake tokens on Coinbase at this current time, but if you sign up and start a new account with Coinbase through our link, you'll get $40 in free crypto just for joining up and taking a few quizzes, which will broaden your knowledge in crypto. Now, to protect all this crypto that you're getting ready to get, you definitely want to protect it. The only way to do so is to have a cold storage wallet. You must have your own bank. There's no other way, period. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers in cold storage wallets. They have several models to choose from. You put all of your tokens, your crypto tokens, on your cold storage wallet. You can take it with you anywhere in the world and know that your money is right there by your side whenever you need it. I mean, if you don't have a cold storage wallet, I can't describe the feeling of freedom that having one provides. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on future crypto kernels. Now, if we've added value, you receive value from our channel. You've been able to make money. You've learned about several tokens. You've made some decisions that have worked out well for you. Then you need to contribute to the content of this channel. Nothing in this world is free. None of us are entitled to anything. The sole reasoning for creating this channel is to educate you all in how to make money with crypto. Now, if we've done that, it's only right that you contribute in return. You can also do so via Cash App. Several of you have contributed, but many more have not. It's time that you do so. This goes for both men as well as you ladies. 20% of my viewing audience right now is women, which means that's telling me that you ladies are learning quite a bit and you've been making money. I want you to make money. I want everyone that watches my channel to make money 10x and greater. But I also want you to contribute, because no relationship is one-sided.